Bago? Ayaw mo? Hindi ko dyan. Magiging ganyan naman lang yung mga Tatalo ko pa. Camping life. Ang daming dala.
Glamper life. Standards.
Tingnan mo naman, naka-standing na sana sabay may paa. Okay, next mangga. Hi guys, welcome to my cooking show. So, ang lulutuin natin ngayon, lulutuin.
Ano to? Hello po. Welcome po sa Tanay.
SK, nasa ng first manong magpagkukot na.
Yung bangus po.
Sleeping. It's already 4 p.m. Nakapagbalit na pants. Ang lamig lang ng tubig. Pero, tara Sean, samahan mo ako. I-tour natin. I will tour you. Balik kami. Hi guys. Ay, tulog si Shamin. Kataklob. So, dito na ang CR. Hi, doggo! Hello! Hi! Hi! Oh, may salamin pa. Ito na yung CR. It's clean. And my bidet. Ay, hindi ko alam na sa may ilaw. Yan, kailangan magtipid ng ilaw. You're awake! Bro, how's your sleep? Ang lamig na. Lamig ng tubig. Laman lang ni. Tsaka manis tubig. Pero walang ni isang tubig na ma-warm.
On deaf ears at quiet times alone, while we rehearse them in the mirror, waiting for the time to be right. When we know the strength inside will match the strength we show, but it's hard enough to face the face who's always staring back. There's nothing to be ashamed of. We're just being what we're made of. And it comes out in the quiet, between the times we speak, between the times we think we know we're right, between the times.
Oo nga eh, ang ganda ng kulay, no? Tapos ang dami kasi. O, gano'n? Ayan, nangingipa.
Constantly checking if what we're about to say is really what it's worth. Is it our 2 cents or is it nonsense? All these things that we've unearthed, but they've come from inside us, and we can no longer hide this. It's bursting at our seams, 'cause our dreams, they've been fighting us. But there's nothing.
Ganda! I like the sky and everything. So, bibili kami guys ng mga bigas kasi kulang. And luckily, merong mga malapit na store. Sa baba.
Sa court.
Ay, sa court. May court. May liga. No. Pagka beginners kayo, dito na kayo magpunta. Wala masyadong tao. Enjoy. Super friendly ng mga tao. Tapos, hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. Sakto lang.
Just being what we're made of. And it comes out in the quiet between the times we
Thank you!
times we think we know we're right.
Ang sarap ng food namin, though. Though, medyo bitin kasi ang dami namin. Did not expect. Pero ang sarap ng pork na samgyup. Tapos yung kimchi, yung hotdog, yung maling. Sarap din. Pero the best yung kimchi. Gawa ng aking tita. Ha? Room tour. Ayan na yun. Yan. Ang gamit namin. It's so messy. Wait, that's my light. And my light is tofu.
And my light is gasoline.
And we also have a bike light here.
The drain drips away as I float off into the recesses of my brain, just searching for the last part of me that might stay.
Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, it's so cold. Ganda gumising sa gantong view. I need new socks. Dapat, pag magka-camping kayo, meron kayong super habang socks. Whew, at least pag dito sa Tanay. Where's my socks? Pangalawang medyas. Let's drink coffee again. Because it's so cold. This is our view for today. Tulog ko si Shamin? Ay. Maya konti. Good morning.
Just being what we're made of. And it comes out in the quiet between the times we speak, between the times we think we know we're right, between the times